What if I told you there are cars out there right now quietly driving past 500,000 miles with no engine rebuild, no major breakdown, nothing dramatic at all? Same roads, same fuel, same traffic, but completely different outcomes. Some cars barely make it past 120,000, while others just keep going and going, like they're almost impossible to kill. So what's the difference? Luck? Expensive cars? Or something else? Something most drivers completely ignore. Because here's the truth. It's not about the car. It's about the habits. In this video, I'm going to show you 15 powerful habits that can make your car last over 500,000 miles. The same habits used by long-distance drivers, taxi fleets, and mechanics who've seen engines outlive expectations. And no, you don't need to be a professional mechanic. You just need to stop doing what most drivers do and start doing what actually works. Let's start with the first habit, and this one alone could save your engine from an early death.
Habit number 1, respect the cold start. Picture this. It's early morning, you're late for work, you jump into your car, turn the key, and immediately hit the gas. Sound familiar? Now here's what's happening inside your engine at that exact moment. The oil is still thick. It hasn't fully circulated yet. Critical parts are moving, but they're not fully lubricated. And when you rev the engine too soon, you're basically grinding metal against metal. Not instantly, not dramatically, but slowly, silently, over time. This is how engines wear out early. But here's where most people get it wrong. They think warming up the engine means letting it idle for 10 minutes. That's outdated. The real habit? Start the car, wait about 20 to 30 seconds, then drive gently. No aggressive acceleration, no high RPM. Just let the engine warm up naturally while driving. It's a small change, but over years, it can be the difference between an engine that dies early and one that keeps going past 500,000 miles.
Habit number 2, oil changes are not optional. Let me tell you a quick story. A customer once came into a workshop with a dead engine at just 90,000 miles. Why? He skipped oil changes just a few times. He thought, it's fine, I'll do it later. But oil doesn't just sit there forever doing its job. It breaks down, it gets dirty, it loses its ability to protect your engine. And when that happens, your engine starts wearing itself out from the inside. Slowly at first, then suddenly, all at once. This is the mistake that kills engines early. Now here's the simple rule. Change your oil on time, or even earlier than recommended, and don't just focus on mileage.
Habit number 3, smooth driving beats fast driving. Everyone loves speed, that quick acceleration, that sudden push. But every time you slam the gas pedal, your engine, transmission, and even your tires take a hit. Now imagine doing that every single day. You might not notice anything for months, but internally, your car is aging faster than it should. Here's something most drivers never think about. Aggressive driving creates heat and stress. And heat is the enemy of longevity. But here's the twist. You don't need to drive slow. You just need to drive smooth. Gradual acceleration, gentle braking, maintaining consistent speed. This reduces wear across your entire vehicle. Taxi drivers who reach insane mileage numbers, they don't drive like racers. They drive like professionals.
Habit number 4, listen to your car before it's too late.
Your car talks to you, not with words, but with sounds, vibrations, and small changes. A slight ticking noise, a faint vibration in the steering wheel, a tiny delay when shifting gears. Most people ignore these signs. They turn up the music and pretend everything is fine. Until one day, it's not. And now, what could have been a small fix turns into a major repair. This is where smart drivers are different. They pay attention early, because early problems are cheap. Late problems are expensive. Here's a simple habit. If something feels different, even slightly, don't ignore it. Check it. Because your car always gives warnings, but only if you're willing to listen.
Habit number 5. Keep your engine cool, literally. Now, let's talk about something that quietly destroys engines: overheating. You might think overheating is rare. It's not. It's one of the fastest ways to ruin an engine completely. And the scary part? Sometimes it starts with something very small. Low coolant, a weak radiator, a failing thermostat. Tiny issues, massive consequences. Imagine driving on a hot day. Traffic is heavy. Your engine temperature slowly rises, but you don't notice. And then suddenly, it's too late. Warped engine parts, blown head gasket, massive repair bill.
Habit number 6. Your transmission is not indestructible. Let me paint a picture. You shift from reverse to drive while the car is still rolling. Or you slam the gear into park before the car fully stops. Feels harmless, right? It's not. Inside your transmission, there are delicate components working under extreme pressure. And every time you rush or force a shift, you're creating micro damage, tiny wear that builds up over time. Until one day, your transmission slips, jerks, or completely fails. And unlike many engine repairs, transmission repairs are expensive. Very expensive. But here's where most people get it wrong. They think transmission fluid is lifetime. That's a myth. The real habit? Change your transmission fluid at proper intervals and always come to a complete stop before shifting between drive, reverse, or park. Drive it with respect. Habit number 7. Don't ignore the air filter. It's breathing for your engine. Think about this. Your engine needs air, just like you do. Now imagine trying to run while breathing through a clogged mask. That's exactly what happens when your air filter is dirty. A clogged air filter restricts airflow. Your engine struggles. Fuel efficiency drops. And over time, carbon builds up inside. This leads to poor performance and long-term damage. But here's the twist. This is one of the easiest and cheapest fixes on your car, yet people forget it for years. The habit? Check your air filter regularly. Replace it when it looks dirty, not just when the manual says so. Because a clean air filter doesn't just improve performance, it helps your engine live longer. Habit number 8. Brake gently. Your entire car depends on it. Most people think brakes only affect, well, brakes. But that's not true. Aggressive braking sends stress through your entire vehicle. Suspension, tires, even engine components. And sudden stops generate heat. A lot of heat. Over time, this heat wears down parts faster than you realize. Now, imagine this habit repeated thousands of times, day after day. You're not just wearing out brake pads, you're aging your entire car. But here's something interesting. Professional drivers rarely brake hard. They anticipate traffic. They slow down early. They drive with awareness. The habit? Look ahead while driving. Predict stops before they happen. Brake smoothly and gradually. It feels simple, but it changes everything. Habit number 9. Fuel quality matters more than you think. Let's clear something up. Not all fuel is equal. Cheap, low-quality fuel can contain impurities that slowly damages your engine. We're talking about clogged injectors, carbon buildup, and reduced combustion efficiency. But here's where people get confused. They think higher octane always means better. Not necessarily. Your car is designed for a specific fuel type. Using the wrong one doesn't help, and sometimes it hurts. The real habit? Use the fuel grade recommended for your car, and whenever possible, fill up from reliable, trusted stations. Because bad fuel doesn't destroy your engine overnight. It slowly poisons it. And by the time you notice, the damage is already done. Habit number 10. Tires are more important than you realize. Now, this one surprises a lot of people. Tires don't just affect grip, they affect your entire car. Uneven tire pressure? Now your suspension works harder. Worn out tires? Your braking distance increases. Misaligned wheels? Your steering system takes extra stress. And here's the hidden danger. Bad tires create vibrations, and those vibrations travel through your car, loosening parts, increasing wear, reducing lifespan. But here's where most drivers go wrong. They only think about tires when something goes wrong. Habit number 11. Don't let your car sit too long. It sounds harmless. You park your car for days, maybe weeks. No driving, no wear, no stress. Right? Wrong. When a car sits too long, fluids settle. Oil drains away from critical parts. The battery slowly dies. Rubber components begin to dry out. And here's the worst part. Moisture builds up inside the engine and exhaust system. That moisture leads to corrosion. So instead of preserving your car, you're quietly damaging it. But here's where most people get it wrong. They think starting the car and letting it idle is enough. It's not. The real habit? Drive your car at least once a week. Even a short drive helps circulate fluids, recharge the battery, and keep everything moving. Because cars are built to run, not to sit. Habit number 12. Keep it clean. Yes, it matters more than you think. Let's talk about something people underestimate. Dirt, dust, mud, salt, road grime. You see it as cosmetic, but your car sees it as damage. Over time, dirt traps moisture, and moisture leads to rust. Rust doesn't just affect how your car looks. It weakens the structure. It damages components underneath, things you don't even see. And once rust starts spreading, it's almost impossible to stop completely. Habit number 13. Follow the maintenance schedule. Every car comes with a maintenance schedule. Most people ignore it. Some people follow it exactly. But the smartest drivers, they go one step further. Habit number 14. Use quality parts. Cheap now, expensive later. Let me tell you something most people learn the hard way. Cheap parts cost more. At first, it feels like a smart decision. Lower price, quick fix. But then, that cheap part fails early. And sometimes, it damages other components with it. Habit number 15. Fix small problems immediately, not later. This is the final habit. And honestly, It might be the most important one of all, because every major car problem starts small. Now, think about this for a second. Two people buy the exact same car. Same model, same year, same engine. One car dies at 120,000 miles. The other, still running strong at 500,000. What's the difference? Not luck, not magic, just habits. Small decisions repeated every single day. Thanks for watching.